Hi everyone, I'm Angel.
And I'm Al.
And we are the owners of
DTRW Construction.
And you are watching Leap TV.
We do everything from like your everyday small home repairs to full-on gut and remodels, house flips. We specialize in luxury home upgrades, especially like luxury vinyl plank, tile. We build decks. We do custom kitchens and bathrooms. Pretty much anything, if you can dream it up or if they can draw it on the paper, we can bring it to life.
We're actually on site at one of our bathroom remodels right now.
Yeah.
I think for us, the flexibility and just being our own bosses was very important for us, making our own schedule, kind of doing what we wanted to do.
Yeah, being able to own my own time is like really huge.
Yeah, that was important for us. My husband did most of the footwork. He was in the union and he did a lot of building and different things before we started our business. So he jumped it off for us. He did all the footwork, and so it wasn't hard for me, I guess.
Yeah, no, I think we started subcontracting. I think I got a job subcontracting, actually working in like Castleton Apartments. We did a prep job and
that he did by himself.
Yeah, and we made pretty good money on that job, and I think that's where we decided I didn't want to go back to work. The pandemic, COVID, everything, lumber prices went up, everything is inflated. A lot of projects slowed down. A lot of people didn't want to build. A lot of people don't want to remodel right now. So we've been able to adjust and adapt to the different circumstances and provide new services. You know, we use reclaimed lumber if we have to. You know, if we can outsource the materials in different types of ways, we'll do whatever we got to do to get the job done. So for us, not living inside of the box and being more flexible has been our advantage in the market, because we can offer more services or go farther than the average Joe Schmo construction can do, just because we can be flexible like that. That's what we enjoy doing. I think our market in the industry is all about being flexible, being able to, you know, work around people's work schedules or whatever they have going on at the time to be able to put the job in.
Just the growth. Like, I've seen a lot of growth in both of us, and business-wise, and just, I guess, as people, you know.
Yeah, for me, it was my biggest accomplishment. It was actually like being able to like spend time with my kids and stuff like that. Most people don't get to spend time with their children like that, and I actually get to be like super hands-on dad.
And they get to be a part of it.
Yeah.
So that's another.
Yeah, for sure. I work with my boys and my daughters. Everybody gets involved.
So that's the neat part of it.
They can see our work on Instagram and Facebook, and they can submit pictures of their jobs to DTRW Construction LLP at gmail.com, along with like a brief detailed description of the scope of work. If you have any measurements or anything like that, that's always a plus.
I think it's important because Black people as a whole, Black businesses, Black people, we all need to be more empowered. We need to change. We need to shift.